Hey friends, it's Gabby. I'm back here in front of you, and today I'm gonna do a $100 YesStyle try-on haul. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while now. This was originally supposed to be up by Black Friday, but things just don't happen that way. So yeah, this is a review of YesStyle and also some stuff that I got from them, which I really anticipated for a month and a half. I don't have a lot of pieces that I copped from them, but they did take a while and they did accumulate to $100. But because of the sale and also because of the first time buying thing from YesStyle, I got it to about $88. But nevertheless, it's still about $100. So yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So the first thing that I want to show are these socks that I'm wearing right now. I don't know if I'm showing it that well. They're just these yellow, mustard yellow socks that I got for about $3. Because it was on sale, it was originally about $13, but because of the sale, it was $2.70. So it's kind of thin to the point where I probably would find something thicker in my sock collection. I really have been wanting a certain length for my socks, so that's why I took the opportunity and bought these, because I've been looking at them for quite a while now. I've been looking at it for a year, and so I wanted to finally get it since I was ordering something for myself. So yeah. The next thing that I got are shoes, and they are these buckled loafers. I've been wanting a pair of loafers for so long because I have a Gucci pair of loafers, but they're really old and I wanted something different also, so I got these black ones. They're really high quality. They look legit. So yeah, they're really comfy inside. My actual size for my feet are a US size 8, but for this one I got a size 40, which is I think a size 10, because a lot of people in the reviews said to size up, but it's still comfortable to wear for a long period of time, in my opinion. I really like the quality, but I kind of messed up something over here. Kind of scratched it on the floor over here. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah. I think I got this for about $25. So yeah. Moving on to the next thing is this skirt that I'm wearing. I can't really show you because I have a mic attached to it. So I'll just attach a picture and also a try-on portion of this, and it looks really nice. I just didn't know how to use the belt at first, so I had to ask my mom to help me put it on and wear it. So yeah, it fits really snug on me in my opinion. It has a stretchy part in the back, so it could fit probably up to a size 10. I'm a size 8. I got it in a size large. This is the biggest it goes. So I got this for about $17. It's pretty good in my opinion. It looks exactly like the photo. I really like the pattern. The texture of the skirt wasn't what I expected it to be, because I saw one comment that said it was thick, but it's not really thick. It's normal thickness, I guess. Kind of disappointed me, but it's pretty good nevertheless, given the fact that it fits me, because a lot of the free size or one size fits all kind of thing doesn't really fit me. I got lucky on this one and I really like it, so it's not that bad. The next thing that I got is actually this blazer and shorts set. I've been eyeing a set piece for so long. I wanted a shirt and a skirt kind of thing, but I was kind of scared and skeptical that the skirt might not fit me, and also it might be a little too short on me. I got this gingham one. Sadly, it's not available on YesStyle anymore, but it was I think about $30. And yeah, these are the shorts. I wore these on Christmas, and I think I put it on Instagram. I'll also have a picture or video showing the thing. What I really like about this is that it has pockets in the front. Still works well, does its job, and it's stretchy, so for those people that are on the bigger side like me, this would fit you. So yeah, it fits me really well. and it gives a little bit of space. So this blazer is really nice, but it's really short on the ends, like here on the sleeve. Overall, I really like this because of the pockets it has, and also because I really wanted a set piece like this. Nevertheless, I really like this, and I'm sure that there are like some dupes or like similar styles like this on YesStyle, so if I do find one, I'll link it down below. We are on to the last piece of this haul. This haul is really short, but this was the one I've been waiting for like so long, and it only came in today when I had to wait until like over a month to get this fleece open front jacket from the brand Re-Rise, and it's really pretty. Like, I really like it because it's not super thick, but like it's thick enough to keep you warm in like 40-degree weather. So I really like this. I love the color, and I love how it's a little oversized on you, so it fits me really nicely, and it's really cute and pretty. So to those people that like dressing up and stuff, and also who want that like fleece I'm Gabby kind of looking jacket, this is pretty good. I think I got it for about like $35, I think, but here on the website it says it's like $43. It's really comfy and thick. It's really pretty too. So yeah, definitely recommend this. Nevertheless, I really love this, and definitely recommend it. So I'll link everything down below, by the way. So that wraps up the entire haul. Hopefully I still get to show you guys more stuff that I could put out there. I have a lot of like shopping done over the past few months, so maybe I'll do a collective haul sometime soon. I really love all the pieces, honestly, especially this one that I've been waiting for like so long. And yeah, I don't have a lot of complaints. It's just that the shipping took a little while, like longer than I thought it would, so that kind of surprised me. But either way, I still got everything in a good deal and in like good quality, I guess. Yeah, definitely check out YesStyle if you want to see like Asian beauty brands. I think like their skincare and makeup for Korean beauty is pretty good. I haven't really checked, and also I'm not really looking into buying makeup these days because I'm trying to clear my skin out. After that, I'll consider checking out their beauty products and stuff. So I'll definitely give it a shot if you guys want to. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Definitely would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys keep growing. Bye. 거칠은 폭풍